And viewers, BJP MP from Uttara Kannada, Anand Kumar Hegde, has been booked for his controversial remark regarding the destruction of the Bhakt Kal Masjid. A suo motu case was filed against him at the police station. The case relates to hate speech and an attempt to create unrest in the district. Take a look at the report for more.
BJP MP Anand Kumar Hegde has been booked for his controversial remark on Bhatkal Mosque in Karnataka. He has been booked for hate speech and attempt to create unrest in Uttara Kannada district. The action comes a day after the BJP MP claimed that the faith of Chinnapalli Mosque would be same as Babri Masjid.
ಭಟ್ಕಳದ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪಳ್ಳಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೇನು ಮುಲಾಜಿಲ್ಲ. ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕಳ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮಂದಿ. ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಯೇ. ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ. ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆಯ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ. ಸಿರಸಿಯ ವಿಜಯ ವಿಠಲ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಪಿ ಬಜಾರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಸೀದಿ ಏನಿದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದು ವಿಜಯ ವಿಠಲ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಸೀದಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾರುತಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾರುತಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ದೇಶದ ಮೂಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೂಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಮಾನಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಕೇತಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕೋ ತನಕ ಈ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ರಣಭೈರವ ಎದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಇನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಡು 1000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇಡನ್ನು ತೀರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂ ರಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
BJP continues to distance itself, calling it a politics of hate.
Definitely, because BJP doesn't stand for those sort of communally flared up statements, and we are not for politics of hate. So therefore, it is his personal statement and it is not the view of the party at all.
The BJP party is distancing yourself from this particular statement that has been made.
It's not a question of distancing itself. We don't subscribe to that particular line of thought at all to say that you have to demolish something and say that we are practicing what he's stating as revenge politics or politics of hate. We are not for that. We are for an inclusive thing, and we are looking at Vikas and Virasat, saying that development along with heritage. So therefore, at no point in time we support this statement.
Will BJP take action against its legislature? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Brace yourselves for a revolutionary leap into the world of news with the Republic World app. We are not merely presenting a news app. We at Republic TV are ushering in a new era of digital news consumption. The Republic World mobile app has the essence of power of breaking news and the heartbeat of our impactful shows seamlessly integrated into a singular dynamic platform for you. Join us, viewers, in an experience that goes beyond conventional news reporting. Don't merely witness the news, become a part of it. Download the Republic World app, now available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.